welcome back to the Williams fam. So today, as you guys see in the title of this video, we been keeping some stuff and we just want to address them. Things haven't been going so well for us.
No.
Psych! Alright, today we are back with another video, another sit down video for you guys. We actually hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to the Williams fam. And turn on your post notification to be notified anytime we drop a video. Are you ready, love?
Nope.
Alright, so today's video, it's from TikTok. And how we're going to do this video is like, we're going to close our eyes.
What kind of video?
I forgot what the video is called. But it's TikTok. It asks you some questions and we're gonna answer them, but we're gonna close our eyes, so we're not going to know how the questions go. What's gonna happen is, if what we will do, if pertaining to the answers, whosoever is right, we will point to each other if we know that that's the person. And if we don't know, or if it's both of us, then we will point like this. So for Mario, he will point to himself, I'll point to myself. If I think the answer more gears to him, I would go towards him, right? And if it's none of us, then I would go this way for neither. All right? So let's.
This way for neither?
Yeah. So yeah.
And this way you.
And this way is you, and then this way is you. All right. So, and you have to close your eyes because we're not supposed to see each other doing the questions. I'm not playing with you. All right, Mario. So, all right, let's get this video started, guys. First question.
Okay, who initiated the first kiss? Who apologizes first after a fight? Who is the funny one? Who is more romantic? Who is the most patient? Who's the better cook? Who said I love you first?
What about?
Who takes longer to get ready in the morning? Who is grumpier in the morning? Who's more stubborn? Who's the bigger baby when sick? Who is the social butterfly? Who's the messy one? Who spends the most money?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Oh. Who made the first move? Who paid on the first date? Who
No.
was the first to declare their love?
Everybody do.
Who's more
What? What?
What can I do with it? I mean, I answer. I like this time.
Okay.
We're lucky. Starting now.
Oh. Who made the first move? Who paid on the first date? Who was the first to declare their love? Okay. Who's more romantic? Who plans more elaborate date nights? Who wears the pants in a relationship? Who's the best driver? Who's the pickier eater?
Damn
Who's
straight.
more likely to steal the covers? Who snores louder? Who's more likely to say something embarrassing in their sleep? Who's the better shower singer? Who spends more time staring at their phone? Who's most likely to start an argument?
Ooh.
Who's most likely to finish an argument? Who's most likely to max out their credit card? Who's funnier? Who's messier?
Really? And that's very fine for me.
Who spends the most money? Who will have kids first? Who will get married first? Who has the better style? Who is meaner? Who is more dumb? Who would get arrested first? Who is most likely to kill somebody? Who is more basic? Who does better in school? likely to drop out of school? Who is the worst driver? Who is most likely to get pregnant before they are married?
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna go over them, and we'll be able to see which answer we pick.
Okay. Ready?
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're gonna play it over, and we'll have our eyes open, so we'll see who picked the ones like what we go over. All right, go ahead.
Okay, who initiated the first kiss?
I said you.
Who apologizes first after a fight?
I said me.
Who is the funny one? Who is more romantic?
You're right.
Who is the most patient?
I said you. Yeah,
Who's the better cook?
I said you. Even though he doesn't
Who
cook,
said I love you first?
I said you.
Who takes longer to get ready in the morning?
Well, I agree on that one. Definitely.
Who is grumpier in the morning?
Yeah, me.
Who's more stubborn?
Definitely.
Who's the bigger baby when sick?
You, no, you are.
Who is the social butterfly?
Me, definitely.
Who is the messy one?
You. Yup, right.
Oh my God.
Who spends the most money?
Me, yeah, that's a
Man,
definite.
people maybe I say you.
Oh my
Definitely you.
god. Definitely me. You see how it is? Yeah.
Oh. Who made the first move? Who paid on the first date? Who was the first to declare their love?
Me.
Who's more romantic?
Me. You're bright.
Who plans more elaborate date nights?
You.
Who
Me.
wears the pants in a relationship?
Me.
Me.
Who's you?
Who's the best driver?
Me.
Me. Wait.
Pick your eater.
You.
Who's more likely to steal the covers?
You. No, you.
You are a family.
No, you always.
Likely to say something embarrassing in their sleep?
Me.
Who's the better shower singer?
Me.
Who spends more time staring at their phone?
You.
Oh, social
Who's
ball.
most likely to start an argument?
You.
What? Really?
Who's most likely to finish an argument?
Me.
You.
Who's most likely to max out their credit card?
Okay.
Who's funnier?
Me.
Who's messier?
You.
You go so.
You go so, you don't know?
We need a.
You messier.
Really? That no con.
What do you mean that no code?
I mean, I'm messy. Like you have to.
Who spends the most money?
Me.
You.
Who will have kids first?
Well,
You.
Ready, happy.
Who will get married first?
You.
Who has the better style?
Me.
hello.
Me.
Oh, I said both
Who is
of us.
meaner?
The better style. I said both of us. But you're right about you.
Okay, ready?
Yes, you style good, but my style good as well. You're right. My swag matches your swag. That's why we make a good team. Yeah, go ahead.
Who spends the most money?
Okay.
Shanika.
Who will have kids first?
We already go through this.
Who will get married first?
Mm-hmm.
Who has the better style?
I said both of us.
Who is meaner?
Me no
Who
know.
is more dumb?
And that's stupid
Who would
question.
get arrested first?
You.
Who is most likely to kill somebody?
You.
Who is more basic?
You.
Who does better in school?
Me.
Who is more messy?
You. I said
No.
Who
that.
is most likely to drop out of
I
school?
said you.
Who is the worst driver?
You.
Who is most likely to get pregnant before they...
Guys, so that was it for that challenge. I hope you guys like it. I found it was fun. Some of the questions, they could have been a lot better. If you guys would like to see a part 2 to this challenge, actually send us in some questions and we will definitely do a part 2, but that's only if you guys send us in some questions. If you don't, then you won't find another challenge part 2 of this. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share our video, guys. And for those that are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? So subscribe to the William Fam to get notification every time we release a video. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had fun making it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
First, I know this is really love.
Cause baby, me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few. I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.